Hey, you guys, so don't mind my hair. I usually sleep with makeup on from last night, but I am gonna shower and redo it with you guys. But yeah, good morning. Hey, my name's Melina. I wake up with plants every day and I freaking love it. Look at all those freaking plants. It's like I sleep in the rainforest. Usually when I wake up, I get hungry, so I already pre-ordered some breakfast. This was from, who was it? Oh my god, my lashes. Salad and Go? Oh my god, you guys are sleeping on Salad and Go. It's so cheap. They got 2 burritos. I got a burrito. I got a lemonade. He got a nice coffee for $14 freaking dollars. Look, I haven't taken my hormones since yesterday, so I'm gonna take them now with this. I'm about to eat. And get my day started clean a little bit. Because it doesn't look messy from this angle, but girl. Usually on my Saturdays, I have the day off. I take Bay to work and then I have the whole day to myself. This is my morning routine, so follow me. So unfortunately, I always wake up to a messy room. It's me and my boyfriend living together, so it gets pretty messy pretty quick. But anyways, I'm gonna clean it up with you guys. I'm gonna shower and I'm gonna do my makeup for my morning routine. It's not a Saturday morning if my doggies don't wake me up crying that they want to go out to pee and explore nature and just be out here being bad. So I gotta take them out. And then after I take them out, I usually give them treats, feed them, give them water. And yeah. So I literally just took my dogs out for a walk. Here's where my babies live. They live next to my dying monstera. They have their little closet here. This is their space. We got water. I gave them food. I'm gonna give them some of their snackies. Snacky? Snacky. Ow, she almost bit me. Yeah. So this is the living room. It's getting great lighting. We're getting ready to move soon. My plants are not looking so good at all. I need to water them. So, oh my god, don't judge me. I'm gonna shower. I can't show you guys. Yeah, we gotta keep this video PG-13. After my morning shower, I usually do a milkshake, and I love a vanilla powdered and banana milkshake. Pretty plain, but it tastes so good, you guys. Definitely my favorite type of milkshake. Okay, you guys, so here I have my milkshake. Oh my god, you guys, the neighbors were making so much noise this early in the morning. What the hell? Anyways, I'm putting moisturizer on my face. And oh my god, you guys, I got this cute little makeup bag on Amazon. It was very affordable and it fits all my makeup. Wow. Now I'm continuing with foundation and I ran out of my color, so I'm mixing it with this concealer. You guys, if you run out of your foundation and you have other concealers, you can make your own or mix other foundations. That's the beauty of makeup. You don't have to follow the rules. Anyways, now I'm continuing to put this foundation all over my face. Next, we're gonna continue with contouring our face. I'm using that same concealer and I'm gonna sculpt my face and get rid of that double chin. With contouring, you guys, don't forget to blend. I know like this can seem like time consuming, but yeah, don't forget to blend because one time I went to work and I forgot to blend one side because I was rushing and it was so embarrassing. Like, two people told me, like, girl. Anyways, now I'm continuing with this eyebrow pencil and I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. I love a good eyebrow pencil because it's fast and it's very accurate to make those little hairs, and you'll have snatched eyebrows without using concealer like the old days. I also use mascara to set my eyebrows and make them really dark because I do have dark hair, dark brown hair, so it works. Now I'm continuing with this new favorite palette of mine that I have. I hadn't used it. This is the Selena Second Collection eyeshadow palette. And oh my god, the payoff of the eyeshadow is so good, you guys. It blends really well and it's very, very, the colors are very, what am I trying to say? What's that word? Not consistent. Oh my god, I can't think of the word. Anyways, if it comes to my mind, I'll say it later. But yeah, I'm just blending neutral colors today. Now I'm continuing with this liner pen and I'm just gonna make a cute little wing. I think if I remember right, I do it off camera because I don't know, I'm not used to doing my liner in camera. It's been a while, you guys. So now I'm continuing with the lashes. I'm just putting mascara on and I do use falsies, so I don't show you that part. But yeah, after this, I'm gonna put just a one stripped layer. Look at that. Now I'm looking snatched. And continuing to finish off this look, I finish it off with this Dior lip gloss. Oh my god, yes. I gotta finish my rest of my milkshake, you guys. And this is the complete look. I hope you guys like it. It's very simple. And of course, oh my god, so many people have told me, like, girl, you smell good in the gas station going to work, at work. What is it? What do you smell like? And it's the Bomb Bomb Sol de Janeiro. Oh my god, it's the Bomb Bomb cream and yeah, it's at Sephora, so I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. But yeah, I have the whole collection, the body spray and everything. I'm gonna finish this whole look by doing some waves in my hair, some curls. My hair's kind of wavy, but not really. It's semi-wavy, so I like to make it a little more textured by adding some curls. And it's really easy to curl my hair because I have a lot of hair, but it's thinner. It's on the thinner side, but girl, it holds a curl so well, you guys. But yeah, it only takes me like less than 5 minutes to do my whole hair. I know it's crazy, but I'm out the door in like 5 minutes. It's the beauty of having thinner, fuller hair, I guess. And yeah. Okay, you guys, so that's pretty much my morning routine. Here in my room, I cleaned my room. Let me show y'all. Okay, you guys, so I cleaned the room. Pretty tidy, I just filmed right there. Yeah. Just cleaning here. There was a bunch of dishes, they're gone. Cleaned the kitchen, made the smoothie, I gotta clean that. Living room. Took the dogs out. They're happy. Hi, Dolphy. Hi, Dolphy. Hi, Dolphy. Come here. Come here. Ben. She's camera shy. Okay. Well, yeah, you guys, that's my entire morning routine. Now I'm gonna probably go to the store. I'm pretty lazy now. I don't even want to do anything. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, this style of videos, like a half blog. You know, if you like voiceovers better or me actually talking. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.